All right, Racker, we're starting one, so pay attention. We're about to win.
Pay attention. You might learn a thing or two.
Told Racker if we get a win, I'd buy him a skin.
Come on, friend. Time to win.
Okay.
Dude, I've been practicing some movement techniques. Not techniques, but you know, different movement things that people do in the game. I looked up a video and like basically just learned all of them because they're all pretty simple. And been practicing them, dude. And I can do the the zipline thing where they like go back and forth, left and right, all the way up it. Like by jumping on and off of it.
Yeah.
I figure obviously you can only do it like 3 times perfectly now because of the delay, but the cooldown.
Too easy.
But I got it down now. It's pretty cool.
I don't even know.
Nice.
Get ready. Move
Looks
it
like
out.
we all have A team. Kinda looks like they're gonna go left, so I'm gonna land right side.
Alrighty.
They might branch off though.
Alright, you want to, we can drop on one of them if they separate too far. Make it even because, yeah, I'm going to go to this back guy right here, but I'm going to land here.
Got one in mid on me.
I got one on me.
Ooh.
Listen up, I'm getting shot at. Reloading. Deploying health drone. Attention. First blood. The battle happens quick. Be ready.
I'm just better. I am just much better.
Watch out for the new kill leader, friend.
You good?
All father, give me sight.
You see that?
Yeah. Good job, Rocker. Let's go. Bro, I wish you would have seen what I just did. I kicked the door and baited that Wraith to pop her Q thinking I was going to break it so she could run by me. And I just waited till it ran out, opened it, and headshot her. She's salty. Where was that at?
I think he went in building.
Let's explore this way.
I'm gonna scan in just a second.
Contact with target.
Scanning the area.
Underneath right here.
Reloading. Enemy down.
Yeah.
I killed an enemy.
He's above me.
Reloading.
I'm gonna scan in just a second.
Yeah, he's up top too. I'm going to jump out of this way.
Bless me with sight.
What's that?
Throwing thermite grenade.
Found him?
I thought I did, but I'm pretty sure they were over at a map though because I thought I heard the map.
Yeah,
Huh?
they scanned map.
Okay.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
They're here.
Recharging my shields. Careful, no kill leader.
Broke that one.
Be careful.
Getting some damage over here.
Taking time.
I'm back this way. Rocker.
Watch out.
Oh shit, there's more. Frank, push this way. Run this way, Rocker. I feel so bad.
Recharging my
Rocker, hey, put your zip line up that way. Remember, hit your 2 top triggers. 2 top triggers at the same time. Alright, now look up on the wall behind you. Turn around. Look up. Up. Okay. Terrible. Good job.
reloading.
I cracked one with purple shield.
Taking a moment.
That one's knocked. I broke the other one.
Scanning the area. Calling upon nature's strength.
Knock this one.
Got him.
Fight alone, die quick. Last of that enemy's squad is
We're just better. Rocker, there's this in here, this in here.
healing my wounds.
Absolutely melted, bro. Absolutely melted. I'm telling you, the DPI switch, best thing I've ever done.
Movement in progress.
Recharging my shield. Listen up, the ring's moving.
Now if I can just get my snaps back, my flicks, I'll be golden.
I'm gonna check right quick. Did they have any light weapons?
That one back over
Had a
there
people in
against the
20.
far had like 40. And I have some too, actually.
Oh,
They
I'm
just got
looking,
rezzed.
looking for a weapon other than the 45.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I cracked the crypto, and I don't think he healed whenever you downed him. And then
You hear that? There's a care
what is
package
that?
coming down.
He had to have went this way. Um, that last guy I absolutely melted. I've got my hemlock though, so I'm just destroying.
Called in down here, but
This way. It
Something good this way.
looked like. Yeah, this way.
I'm gonna land on this building.
Good this way.
Marking our surroundings.
41 seconds ago. We're right behind.
So they went past. Oh, right here.
Hostile right here.
The enemies are shooting at me. I have been.
Reloading.
Fried him.
I've got one on me.
Just giving my shields a recharge.
God. I'm nasty now.
I need.
Hostile.
Dude, I don't have nothing. I'm gonna get Rocker real quick. Do you have any spare shields?
Have decided.
No? You're good. You're
Yeah,
good.
I
if you
do.
don't. Okay.
Oh,
Dude, I
is there still
fried
somebody
that
up?
guy. Huh?
Did we kill all of them?
No, they got revived. I knocked one though.
No, I killed one
Have.
just now.
Okay, you full killed?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, the other two dipped. Hey, I need some shield cells,
Yeah. Okay.
Could be some loot here.
please, sir.
Shield cell here.
Riker just.
Right.
Okay.
Cracker,
I need help.
you gotta. It's not that you don't need them. Well, you need them, but you don't have a
Tell him to
shield.
pick those up.
Yeah. You,
Evo shield here.
God damn it!
I pinged him one.
Quick, Racker, when somebody drops something, remember, don't grab it unless we tell you because we know what you need. This is what you need. Okay?
Evo shield here.
You see this? Hey, press up on your D-pad after that goes away. Press up again.
Hey, tell him to come get this.
Evo shield here. Level 1.
Alright, and then go to Frank. Turn around. He's marking something for you. See that little shield he marked? Go grab that. Yeah. Grab that. You remember. You remember what I told you, Rocker? Every time you always have to find one of those, okay?
Oh, we
I'm
gotta
gonna
get
call in
this
a
open.
lifeline right here.
Listen up, I'm calling a lifeline package in. Recharging my shields.
Riker's going the wrong way. Riker's going the wrong way.
Rocker, this
Okay.
way.
Let's explore this way.
Let's go, bro. Follow us.
This way.
There is a new kill leader.
Yeah, you're looking like it. Remember, Rocker, if you see a bad guy, you shoot him in the face.
Teach him to call out before shooting.
Yeah, we'll call out. Trust me, we'll. He won't see him before us. I say that, bro, and he literally just hit a grapple on me, landed right next to me. I don't know if it looked good or not, but
On me.
Rocker, come grab this. Come grab this. We gotta go help. Grab that, hurry. No, oh, no.
Cracked one.
I'm coming to you.
He's above me.
Yep.
Delivering.
Okay, good. Come us. Help us fight. Help us fight. Download.
That's another team.
Let's push this way then.
Taking a moment to recharge my shield.
Come on, Rocker. Come to me. We're gonna go back this way. Right? Is this the right call, you think? Frank?
Yeah, I think so. Trying
Okay.
to, I don't know where that octane went.
Bless me with sight.
Rocker, grab some of this right here.
He dipped backwards, it looks like.
Hey, Racker, stand right here. Okay? Now, do both your triggers at the same time, like I showed you. Okay? Now shoot it at my mark. You see where my mark is up there? Shoot it at that up there. Up higher. Right there. Up, right there. Yep, shoot it.
Setting up a zipline.
Thank you. Alright. Don't jump off, just ride it all the way up there. Alright, good job, man. That's perfect.
There's a team there. There's a team there.
Well, hey, at least Rocker helped.
I say we hold this right here because this team's gonna be coming up behind us.
That's
somewhere.
fine. I'm gonna hit a little bit of loot real quick. Rocker, you shouldn't have followed me. Alright, what kind of weapon you got? Alright, pull out your weapon.
They're way back there.
Switch weapons.
We're not gonna have to worry about that.
Alright, take this one. No, switch weapons first. Switch. Now take that one. Grab that. Alright, now grab the blue ammo.
Careful, shooting at.
Yep. Alright, get ready, we gotta fight.
They're in your spot up there.
Oh, dude, they're fried. Fried the shit out of them.
I'm fried.
They're not
They're on me,
exactly
they're on me,
fried now. Coming. Go inside, Rocker. Go inside. Go inside.
I have to hit this. Oh,
Okay, I'm holding it.
they're getting third party.
Oh, shit. Kill him.
Just keep my shields at recharge.
Incoming. Taking a moment to recharge my shield.
Rocker, right here.
Taking a moment to recharge my shields.
Careful, Dylan. I'm healing real quick.
Taking fire.
Taking a moment to heal.
Enemy down.
I'm just better, bud.
Beginning ring countdown.
Right here.
Alright.
Someone was wounded here not long ago. They're dropping a replicator.
I think it's at Loba Octane. There's only 2 of them.
Their time.
I need help.
Where are you at? Down low?
Yep. Thank you.
Yeah, take that if you want it. Rocker, you good, bud? Yep. Be careful, there was one that went up top. He might have jumped. Oh.
Recharging my shield.
Recharging my shields.
Scan the area.
Hell yeah.
Recharging my shields.
Back. Use this ult and grab me some of my shit that I need.
Health drone if you need it. Recharging my shields.
Good. Alright, be careful, Rocker. Good job. Alright, you need... Oh, come here. Let's see what kind of ammo you need. Come to me. Alright, come here.
Alright, we gotta get to circle.
Close proximity. Less than 1
All right.
minute.
Get in here. Hurry up, hurry up. Alright, open that box, the yellow box. Okay, grab this. Click that. Click it. Alright, click this.
Only
Yep.
30 seconds left
That.
on the clock. The ring's
Click that again. Just start clicking the button. Just keep clipping. Keep doing this. Okay, no. Click that again. The yellow one.
It's over there.
Alright, now back out. Let's go. Oh, shit, Frank.
I'm safe. I'm just.
No,
working.
I'm saying my bad.
Yeah, one went far this way.
The ring is close.
They singled
My
out. We
bad.
can
I was trying
probably
to
kill that one.
fucking...
You're fine.
I bathe in the blue.
This has turned out to be a decent freaking match, too.
There's
dude.
2 over here. Over here.
Coming. Oh, dude, right here by me. You good?
Yep.
We beat those guys, bro.
Squad has perished. 2 others healing my wounds.
Grenade.
Hey, let's push this way. Oh no, that's a bad idea. We're gonna have to push towards them, I
On
think.
me. Yep.
Dude, he's lit. Oh, dude, they're both lit. All lit. Not that one. Sorry, I made a terrible call out. Fuck them.
Finish the last of that.
Right here.
Riker, crawl towards us.
Taking a moment.
We're gonna try to win, Riker. Oh, dude, I cracked her for a little bit.
Recharging my shield.
Thermite grenade set. Recharge.
Oh, dude, she's fried.
Reloading.
Downed her.
Oh my god, this is the last spot too. We gotta push. Riker, we might win, bud. We might win.
Moment to recharge my shields.
Yeah, you heal, bro. I'm gonna push up. I'm gonna climb high. Oh,
She's on blue shield.
I know. She was laying down.
Shields.
You got that kill, right?
Yep.
Yeah, she went this way.
Time graces. Marking our surroundings.
She's far side, I bet.
I'm gonna
Yep.
heal. I'm gonna heal right quick.
Taking a moment to heal.
Yep, she's right there.
Targets
In there.
Listen up, I'm getting shot at. Just giving my shield a recharge.
She's got purple shield now. Shit. Nice.
We won. That means you get a skin. Okay, not right this second. Hang on, we'll do it here in a little while. Okay. But yep, you win. You get a skin. So when I'll buy it and then we'll put it on. I can't believe we just
You are
won
the
that.
Apex champions.
We got this, bud.
And Riker made it pretty much to the end. He only died at the last squad. I mean, that's